Lord, I'm tired. I'm weary. I believe with all my heart that you and you alone have made all of this around me. But couldn't you give me some kind of a sign? Folks are scared and hungry and thirsty. Their crops are dying. They think that you've abandoned them. Sometimes I think that too. They're falling away because they've lost faith. Faith in who you are. Your provision and goodness. They're wicked because they think you just don't care. That you're some old guy with a long gray beard who's going to hit them upside the head if they don't straighten up and fly right. Sometimes I think that too. These dreams. You keep giving me these dreams that I don't understand. I'm scared. My family's scared. Lord, what are you trying to tell me? There! Look there! That is what I must do! All right, Lord. Gathering and turning black, sun sliding low, slipping back. Rain, 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 it's in the rain. Mercy me and mercy you, nowhere to run, nothing to do.